Hey everybody, this is Eric with VBAHowTo.com, coming at you with a video, another one called How to Create a Query Between Two Dates in Access. Okay, so this video is all about that. We have two dates, a start date and an end date, and when we make the selection, both these combo blocks are loaded, and bang, run report, and we have a report that runs. So this video is about how to do this. Again, if you get value from these videos, make sure you click click like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell notification so you're made known of each video I release when I release it. So I would appreciate that a whole lot. And also, if you have any questions about the video, leave them down there in the comments below. Okay, leave it down there in the comments below to say, I have a question, raise your hand or whatever. Okay, here I have my data in a table called T-bill data. Okay, real simple. And it's just sample data. I have a query on that table called QRY data. Okay, and it asks me for a parameter. Okay, this is your parameter query. It's taking parameters from the form because there's two ways of generating this report. I want to show you. Number one, I take the data from the query. Okay, the form or the query reads the values from the form and then displays the report. And the second way is just sending the values directly to the report in the open argument, open event, and then it reads the values from the form, and I create a VBA of I change record source basically. So and this one, and notice I have report from VBA, so that's not the one that I'm going to show you in the beginning. So the first one I'm going to show you is this. It's basically the same reports, okay? Same reports, 530 to, and here I'm sorting this in ascending order. It's the same dates, the same field, with this date sorted differently, ascending and descending. Okay, start date and end date. So it looks real fancy, but it's really, this is one field sorted differently. And when I run the report, I get just a standard access report between this and this. And it's read again this date, the start date and the end date, reading the values from this particular form right here. Okay, so going out there to VBAHowTo.com and get the database. You can get the direct link from the description below. If I don't have it there, leave it in the comments. Say I would like the database, okay, or database please, whatever. And I'll post it on the website. Date close between these two dates, so we're good to go with that. Let's look at this here query. Okay, the query is really, it's a parameter query, and the parameters I'm giving it are between, and I'm doing the shift F2, it gives me the zoom box. Okay, it gives me that, lets me zoom in on those, and I'm changing the font size. Of course, it's going to take a while because all this, because I'm recording here. So I normally change it to 16 just so I can see it. Between this date and this date, so pretty simple. Between the start date and the end date. Okay, if you have just a regular query, you want to hard code it between number sign, start date, and or close and stop number sign, and then the other date, number sign, date, number sign. Okay. So here I'm just taking the values of the form. And that's why when I run this, it's getting the values from here. because I have values in there. Well, I didn't have any values, so it wouldn't show me anything. But here I'm actually I'm showing those dates, my selection, whatever I asked for. And no, I don't want to save it. Okay. Now, looking at the report data from form. If I go into design view, notice what I have in this box right here. Okay, date closed. Between, and there I have my forms, the form collection, what name of the form is, what the control is, and the control's actual name, or the control's collection, though its actual name, semantics, and then here I have and the forms collection, what's the name of the form, control collection, and what's the name of the control. So good to go. Okay, so that is it. Pretty much when I have this, doing the same thing. If I do it from VBA, I'm doing the same thing. I think it's a little bit easier, but I mean, you may debate that. Okay, and again, it's changing the form, but it's basically the same thing. And then form VBA. Instead of using a query, I'm just sending it text, so I don't have the added weight of having a query involved with this. If I use VBA, run report. Okay, what is it doing? It's doing basically the same thing here. Okay, I'm formulating a SQL string. The SQL, the first part, just the base SQL, and then my where clause. Here I and then here I combine them together, concatenate them. So we're good to go. And then with the number signs, remember to keep the number signs in there because I am doing dates. I am doing dates. So that's about all, folks. And if you do have any questions, then of course the do command open report on the button, and it's doing the same thing. It's open up in preview mode. That's why I open up all my, because I'd like to preview before I actually print it, so I don't want to send it directly to the printer, walk 100 feet to the printer, and then it'd be wrong. I'd like to preview it first, and then I can decide if I'm going to print it, in what format I'm going to print it in. Okay, if I need to email it or print it out of the printer, whatever. So, good to go. Make sure you leave your comment if you're confused and don't know what we're doing. Leave your question in the comment below. Coming out to VBAHowTo.com. If you have a question about it, leave it in the comment below. Also, I'll direct link it, like I said, in the description box below. So, thanks for your attention, and make sure you like the video, smash the like button, and click subscribe, and click the bell notification so you're made aware of all the videos I release when I release it, because I do release a lot of these videos, so you want to be in the know. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.